Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. We are still in this very beautiful city of Prague in Czech Republic. Napakaganda po niyang lugar and makikita niyo dito ang rotating head. Isa siya sa mga attractions doon and every hour ang kanyang pag-rotate and it lasts for 15 minutes. So last night we went to an Asian restaurant close to our hotel and hindi kami ni-disappoint. Ang sarap. Ito naman ang OOTD ni Ana sa araw na ito, August 16. So, we decided to go back to the Centrum para puntahan itong dancing house. Sikat din po siya sa kanyang very unique design. After that, naglakad-lakad ulit kami pabalik sa Charles Bridge and then papunta na naman sa Old Town Square. So, ang pinaka-mission po namin sa araw na to ay bisahin ang lokal. Isa ito sa mga recommended na restaurants ni Mark Wiens. Isa po siyang sikat na food vlogger. That's what's food.
That's a specialty one.
Yeah, and this is mine. This is mine, the pork cutlet schnitzel. I'm already excited. It's smakelijk. It's smakelijk.
Dankjewel.
Let's see. Do the Mark Wiens.
No, I can't. That's really good.
Yeah, this. Dessert, we ordered this one. She's not eating? No?
I don't know how the way it's.
Yeah.
Lekker, ja.
Yeah, like I was not even recording. No, you have to do it.
Dat heeft je doen.
I have to do it again. I'll try the one with the beans.
The next day. A few moments later.
Hello, so it's our third full day in Prague and yeah, tomorrow hindi na kami we're not gonna visit any more places because we're gonna get ready to go to our next destination. We're going to Poland, to a city called Krakow. So yeah, it's a little bit of a stressful day today because yeah, sobrang irritable ni Ana. She was doing really well for the first couple of days but siguro ano na siya, namimiss na niya yung kanyang routine and since it's Ruth's first time, it's our first time to basically take Ana somewhere really far from our place and only the three of us, so yeah, hindi namin in-anticipate ito, so learning experience siya. So next, sabi ko sa kanya, next na destination namin, kailangan naming i-plan ang day like for Ana, yung may mga play area, mga park, ganyan. So we cannot really maximize the time by just going to very famous tourist spots. So, sabi ko sa kanya, if you really want to explore the city, the next city, you can do it yourself. Like, you know, the half day, siguro sa hapon. Pero, we should really make it more for Anna, yung trip. Kasi iba na talaga eh. So, at least, you know, may mga, ano kami, na we learn from sa mga kaganapan. Medyo stressful siya. Na-stress si Ruth, ma-stress din ako. So, wala. Ganyan talaga. Pag may toddler na. But anyway, Anna is having fun now because we're at the play area. So, happy. By the way, after this, we're going to a restaurant. We're going to a restaurant close by. So, thankfully, may park dito. So, yeah, sabi ko kay Ruth, pumunta muna kami sa park para maglaro si Anna, para ma-relax siya. And then after that, we're going to the restaurant close by. So, this is recommended by Wiens. So, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. So, this is the recommended restaurant. So, that's what Ruth is having. Exactly what Wiens had. This is stuffed duck. And I'm having beef. It's like goulash.
Oh, it's really tender.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
It's really good.
Okay. So inside there's pork. Don't eat your skin though. May gani way music cute.
Ha?
May gani way music.
Bani.
It's makalek. So sexy sa akong kadate. Oh, tanaw mo. Picture.
Sige, cute. Mama's red now.
Good morning. It's our last day in Prague. It's Thursday. Malakas yung music ni Ana. So, it's been really fun. Busy, fun, but yeah, nag-enjoy naman kami. So, ngayon, biyahe na kami papunta sa next na destination. Yung aming driver.
Drive was relaxing.
Ay. Ana, say bye-bye! So, yun lang yung ating pa-vlog sa Prague. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung mga video natin. And yeah, kita-kita na naman tayo sa susunod na vlog. Salamat! Duy! Mush-mush babush! Duy, Ana! Bye, room! Nakapag-impake na po ako.